How to Fix Can't Change Date of Birth on TikTok Full Guide 2025. Have you tried to change your date of birth on TikTok and found that the option is missing or disabled? This is a common issue, and in this video, I'll explain why TikTok restricts date of birth changes and what you can do to fix it the official way. Welcome back. Today's tutorial covers why you can't change your date of birth on TikTok and the correct steps to request a change without risking your account. First, let's understand why this happens. TikTok locks the date of birth to protect age-restricted features and comply with safety policies. Once an account is created, TikTok does not allow users to freely edit their birth date from settings. Now let's go step by step on what you can do. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right, then open Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and tap Report a Problem. Go to Account and Profile, then select Editing Profile and choose Other. Now tap Need More Help? This allows you to contact TikTok support directly. In the message box, clearly explain that your date of birth is incorrect and you want it updated. Be honest and professional. TikTok may ask you to verify your age by uploading an ID such as a government-issued ID or passport. After submitting the request, wait for TikTok's response. This process can take a few days. Do not submit multiple requests, as this can delay support. Here's a pro tip. If your account is under 18 and age-restricted features are locked, do not try to bypass the system. TikTok actively monitors this and may suspend accounts for false age information. To summarize, you can't directly change your date of birth on TikTok because it's locked for safety reasons. The only safe solution is contacting TikTok support and verifying your age. If this guide helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more simple TikTok tutorials, and comment below, did TikTok respond to your age change request yet?